Brr. It hurts when I walk. Then don't walk. That'll be 273 Wabaks. Mother. Hello boys, as you might recognize from the previous rainy episode, we use the guns to shoot the enemies. And that's why we got more than one. First off, I'm gonna go have to kill this a-hole. Guys, I'll kill this girl for a few hours. Okay guys, let's go get some adventures. Now wait guys, I got to check the news.
Later.
Got her? Yeah, I got her in the street. Ah, dang boy, I can't get the better shot to the ground. Okay, I'm gonna go to the better clean shot that I got.
Later.
Emergency rain stats. The Red Leader has invaded the Red City.
Successes will be unavailable.
I think we're under attack. Dang it, I gotta learn the reins.
21 hours earlier.
Guys, I hear the weird sound of a Gacha Rain City. Or maybe sound fireworks. I guess you're right. Okay, I'm on my way. Okay, final test. Okay, class, it's a final test. We're on the final test and you can go on. So, basically, this is super easy on math. Can I have a word on you, Admin Rain? Yeah, okay. What is it? The Red Leader has invaded for the Rain City. Is that the whole goddamn city, right? Of course. Here's the footage of the Red Leader voting.
Hamoud Habibi,
What?
Hamoud Habibi.
Oh man, I'm randomly having fun here. I'm sure nobody can do.
I'm sorry. Ah, bullseye, motherfucker. Okay, let me go reverse in my oblivion, man. This is not my own lesson.
21 hours later.
Guys, I got here on my city, and nothing happens. I don't know, it's just a fake news. Let's check into the Rainmon GC. Guys, maybe the Rainmon GC was fine.
Bruh.
Yay, 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 yay. Guys, maybe I'm stupid. I guess I'm gonna go home and sleep. And who are you going to kill next? Hello, fish. I see you respond. No, what? But when you die, you'll respawn, right? No, fish. I survived the explosion. Ah, whatever. I'm going to kill you. But why did you introduce yourself like this? But you don't just shoot me with your gun. I'm unarmed anyways. Well, it seems I invited you to my base. So, what happened to my death part? But eventually, if you don't join your city, your city will nuke up. So, are you up for the party or not?
Well, I'm out, man.
Wait, you got any snipers and gunman pointed to my head? Well, I guess you're doomed, fish. Well, I guess you got one gunman pointed to my head. Well, I'm sorry, fish. Well, that's an option. Oh, we'll see.
Later. Anyways, back to the video.
Oh my god, this is a disaster. What the hell do we do now? Okay, let's chill. Let's just call fish. Okay, I'm on it. Yo, fish. Rain, it's toward the one who invaded the Rain City. Okay. Wait, where are you? I'm on the Rain West thing. Guys, I know this Raid Mongoloid did that, and I'm gonna go kill him. Okay, make sure we're gonna go Rain, alright? Alright, we raid for Rain. Shut up! Fish, you can run here forever until I kill you full of the four of the rains. Wait! Before you kill the rains, we have something for you. What? This grenade is full of flashbang and smokes. Did we did it? Not yet. But we gotta run! Yo, not to the Brook way, to the book way. Okay, let's get out of here before Torch shows up. No, our jackpot escape. We're dead now! Alright, get in the train now! Okay, I'll take the 50 explosive BMG. We won! Okay, fish, come down here. Okay, guys, let me go down.
5 hours later.
Oh boy, I wish MacLeod returns to you. Oh, hey yo, what? You're not gonna say what up to me. Well, I really get to my point, not yours. Soon enough, I'm gonna burn your anti-stash. Really, fish, you're not gonna cross me this time. Soon enough, I will roast you some anime. Wait a minute. This doesn't seem right at all this time.